What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another video. I'm Ezekielo, the tech geek, bringing you nifty gadgets. As some of you know, Logitech is one of the brands that has been killing it when it comes to computer accessories. Say hello to the new Logitech MX Sound multimedia speakers, which according to Logitech offers premium sound experience at an affordable price. Well, we're about to find out if it's really worth buying. So in the box, I got an EU and UK plug, a power cord, the speakers, a 3.5mm auxiliary cable, and a safety guide and warranty. You have to bear in mind accessories may slightly vary depending on your location. Coming to its design, it looks quite elegant and definitely complements the other MX line of products such as the MX Master 2S and Logitech Craft keyboard. It's made of tough plastic and a woven fabric material at the front. It's branded with the new Logi logo, similar to that on the MX Master 2S. I wish there were other colors to choose from, as there is only this dark grey color. At the bottom rear of the right speaker, there are two 3.5mm audio ports, left speaker input, there is the power port and a headphone port. You have to bear in mind the cable for connecting both speakers is permanently connected to the left speaker and is detachable from the right speaker only. It sits and tilts backwards when placed on any flat surface for optimal sound experience. What visually stands out about the design of these speakers are the protruding bass ports, which give them a distinctive look. That is the first thing you will notice once you pick them up. In terms of features, it's equipped with some high-end drivers that dish out 24-watt output power. It also comes with easy switch technology, makes it easy to switch between two audio sources. Just press pause on the first device and press play on the second device and you're good to go. The feature I seem to enjoy most is the motion activated controls on the right speaker. Just hover your hand at the lower front of the right speaker to activate 3 soft touch buttons for Bluetooth pairing and volume controls. I would have loved the inclusion of a dedicated power button to turn them on or off. As for connectivity, you can use them wired or via Bluetooth 4.1. As always, it's time to do some sound tests, so please put on your headphones and let's begin. First of all, I'll play some music using Bluetooth connectivity, and then I'll also play some music using wired connectivity. Well, as all of you heard, audio performance on these speakers are above average. There is good amount of detail and soundstage with great mids. I really love the mids that are coming out of these speakers. They get quite loud enough to fill small to medium rooms with some bass kick, but it could still do with a little bit of more bass. But bearing in mind that this is a 2.0 setup, so there is no subwoofer. If you listen carefully, you'll hear the noticeable decrease in audio quality when using Bluetooth connectivity as opposed to using them wired. This is not a deal breaker as it's common with most Bluetooth speakers. Nevertheless, at this price point, there isn't much to complain. For those of you looking for good multimedia desktop speakers, the Logitech MX Sound speakers are definitely worth checking out. This will run you $100 depending on your location. As always, I'll be dropping links in the description section for you all to check for updated prices or purchase. That's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to check out other nifty gadgets on this channel, and if you're already subscribed, be sure to click the notification bell icon right next to the red subscribe button for you to always be notified whenever I upload a new video. I am Ezekielo, and I'm signing out. Adios.